Howdy doody gamers, Mizzix here from Archives Media, and today I'm going to be unboxing the cheapest lavalier microphone on Amazon. This is the Pop Voice lavalier microphone, also known as a lapel mic. Anyway, it is only $13 on Amazon, so let's go ahead and bust this one open. The reason I got this is because I wanted to have some multi-camera shots while doing these unboxings, and I want to be able to just record my voice off of one microphone, and that would be my plan. So I bought this, and let's go ahead and, we already opened up the box. Comes in a little bag. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's got little multicolored pop filters. I'm just gonna stick with the black one. Very strong clip. Anyway, it's pretty standard. There's nothing too surprising or too cool about it. Obviously, the main thing is how it works as a microphone. So let's pop this off. Okay. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with a little bit of a bigger. All right, I don't know if that is any bigger. It looks like they're both a 3.4 millimeter. Oh, is this a PC adapter? Does this not work with the PC? Attention. Oh, correct use of PC adapter. Okay. Okay. I guess it is a PC adapter. I didn't know PCs had different. Oh, I guess that makes sense because PCs probably have that pink or whatever port you gotta plug it into. Okay, why can I not get this bag open? So, I get it. I guess that eliminates one of the channels. Huh. I guess some people aren't doing it correctly. So it comes with one extra clip. This is made out of metal, and it seems very strong. So it seems like you could easily, clip it on to whatever you got going on. And I guess they got multicolor pop filters too. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into the microphone test. I am testing the microphone. I'm holding it in my hand right now, maybe about one palm length away from me. Holding it in my hand, like I said, not attached to the collar. Okay, so now it is clipped onto the collar of my t-shirt, and I'm just looking at my screens, talking like normal. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope this mic sounds good, because I still haven't heard it yet. Remember to like and subscribe. The link, of course, will be in the description. I got this on Amazon. Peace.